Let's learn synonym and antonym.
What is a synonym?
A synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same as another word.
What is an antonym?
An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Big.
Synonyms: large.
Antonyms: small. Happy.
Synonyms: glad.
Antonyms: sad.
Fast.
Synonyms: quick.
Antonyms: slow. Hot.
Synonyms: warm, heated.
Antonyms: cold, cool. Good.
Synonyms: nice, kind, great.
Antonyms: bad, mean. Clean. Synonyms: neat, tidy.
Antonyms: dirty, messy.
Easy.
Synonyms: simple, light.
Antonyms: hard, difficult. Open.
Synonyms: unlocked, free.
Antonyms: closed, shut. Bright.
Synonyms: shiny, light.
Antonyms: dark, dull. Strong.
Synonyms: powerful, tough.
Antonyms: weak, soft.